Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram message not sending problem in iPhone. So guys, if you are using iPhone and want to send messages on your Instagram and facing any kind of issue that is unable to send message or not send messages, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you need to go back. So guys, after going to back, you need to open your settings on your iPhone, and guys, after this simply you need to click on Wi-Fi and make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection. So guys, if not, then guys you need to connect it first, and guys if you're using mobile data, you need to turn on your mobile data on your iPhone, and guys you need to scroll it below, click on general. And guys, after this you need to make sure that date and time is set automatically, and guys after doing this you need to click on language and region, and guys you need to make sure that you have selected region according to your country. And guys, after doing this, simply you need to scroll it below, click on VPN and device management, and make sure that any kind of VPN is not connected with iPhone. So guys, if connected, then guys you need to disconnect your VPN. And guys, after doing this, you need to check your network problem. So guys, maybe there is network problem on your iPhone. So guys, simply you need to click on transfer and reset iPhone, click on reset. And guys, you need to reset your network settings from here. And guys, after doing all the settings, you need to go back, and guys must you have checked to for update of Instagram. So guys, you need to open your app store on your iPhone, and guys here you need to search Instagram. After searching Instagram, you need to open your app, and guys you need to update your app if not updated. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back, and guys after doing all the settings, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to open your settings again, click on general, and guys click on iPhone storage, and from here you need to scroll it down, click on Instagram, and guys you need to offload your app. And guys after this you need to reinstall again and log in again your account. And guys at last you need to check your iOS update. So guys, maybe there is problem in your iOS version. So guys, when you have update your iPhone to latest iOS version, and after this all the problems will be fixed that you are facing in iPhone. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.